everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition unboxing for you, and this time it's from LOOKFANTASTIC, and this is the Trending Beauty edit. It contains 8 products, it retails for £45 and has a value of £125. It's still available on their website, so as always you'll find a link to it down below in my description. Plus you'll see all my other discount codes and offers to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running, so you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. When this box went on early release, just for a couple of days, then you were able to use my code, which is DiaryLF, which is a permanent code I have with LOOKFANTASTIC, and that entitles you up to 25% off. Not the subscription boxes and not the advent calendar. Sometimes they're beauty boxes, but only in that short time frame of when they're early releases. So only for about 2 days my code will work. Some boxes it works, some it doesn't. But whenever they release any new boxes, if you think, I'll try and use a code, if you're not a subscriber that is, if you are a subscriber, you automatically receive around a 15% discount. If you have to type in my code, you never know, you might have a surprise and you might get a really good discount. Let's get on to showing you then what's inside. A little sneak peek, they're all jumbled up in there. Alright, have we got a QR code? No, this time we don't. Sometimes we get a little card with a QR code, so I'm able to scan it then, so I can tell you a little bit more about the products. Starting off with one of my favourite makeup brands. This is Natasha Denona. I Need a Rouge Lip Crayon, and this is in shade Gigi. So I'm very familiar with her eyeshadows, but not so much with anything else. The blush, I've had little blushes and little bronzers, but I'm dying to try her eyeliners. I am obsessed with watching her tutorials on TikTok and Instagram. I just love the close-up she does of doing eye looks. Oh, it's just amazing. So we've got a lip liner here. Oh, that's nice. The formula is really, really nice and soft. Yeah, that's lovely. That's a pretty colour as well. I got lots of lipsticks in that sort of shade, so I'll definitely put that to use. Next we've got Olaplex, and this is a volumizing blow dry mist, a protective volumizer, shields from heat and humidity for all hair types, and there's 150 mils. I've never tried this before, so this is something new for me. So this is a full-size product, I'm guessing anyway, it looks it. A heat and humidity protective volumizer for weightless, full body blowouts and touchably soft, shiny, visible, healthy hair. You apply it to damp hair to work its magic. So shields from heat and humidity as well. Yeah, I like the sound of that. Then we've got a full-size Mario Badescu. This is a facial spray with aloe, herbs and rosewater, and there's 118 mils there. Do love facial mist, and I've had this before. I'm not sure if I've had the full size. I've had little ones. It smells of rose, but it's not really strong. I don't like proper rosy smells, but it's not too bad, it's fine. Let's have a spray on my face. Oh, it's lovely. It's really, really nice. I've got really thick makeup on my face and I don't like the feel of it. I'm not used to wearing like heavier makeup. I love a full makeup look, but the actual base then is a little bit heavier than normal. So yeah, we got a facial spray there from Mario Badescu. We got Kiko Milano, and this is a 3D Hydra Lip Gloss in shade 0, so it's a clear one. Oh, I love the packaging. Look at that. It's so smart. I'd love to see more Kiko products actually in the LOOKFANTASTIC beauty boxes. There. Let's try a little bit on my lips. I'll just put it on my finger because I don't want to put the lip colour on. Where's my lips? There, can you tell? Yeah, it feels nice anyway. So there's that. Next we've got Sol de Janeiro, and this is Brazilian Crush, Cheirosa 62, Pistachio and Salted Caramel, Perfume Mist, and I should know the sizes by now because we get a lot of these in different boxes. There's 30 mils there. So a lovely spray, but as it is sealed, I'm just going to spray this one, which is my one. It was just over there, just to remind me of the smell. I know you can't smell it. Very summery sort of smell. Why am I showing you my one? Yeah, I'm going to give that to my daughter because I know she likes it. Next we got Perricone MD. This is a vitamin C Ester. So photo brightening moisturiser with broad spectrum SPF 30. And there's 30 mils here. Oh, okay. So it's vitamin C moisturiser with SPF. That sounds really great. Active ingredient, titanium dioxide, 4.2%. It's like a pink mousse. I wasn't expecting that. Let's try a little bit on the hand there. Oh, that feels so nice. It feels like a body cream. But no, it's a vitamin C moisturiser, isn't it? Yeah, that feels lovely. No scent. No scent. Yeah, I really like that. We've got 2 little minis here, or there could be samples. Oh, actually, this might not be. This is a Bouncy and Firm Lip Treatment by LANEIGE. There. Gel. Oh, my nails are going to go in there then, isn't it? Oh, let's try a little bit there. There. I've already tried this and it is lovely. I do love LANEIGE. They do amazing lip products. Yeah, really great. Does it smell? Nope. So it's a Bouncy and Firm lip treatment. Apply desired amount on your lips all throughout the day as required. And then lastly, we have got Ole Henriksen, and this is Banana Bright Eye Cream. There's 3 mils here. This is a gorgeous eye cream. I loved it so much, I bought full size. And this is perfect size for me actually to take away. So only a little one, but then you only need a dab. You need a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. There. I'm not going to put my nails in there. These pots are too small, aren't they? It's a really nice moisturising cream for your under eyes, and it's quite brightening as well. Yeah, I do really like it. To brighten and hydrate, and it's age defying. Gold complex vitamin C and collagen. And yeah, that is it. So those are all the products inside the Trendingedit beauty box by LOOKFANTASTIC. So to recap, we've got an Olaplex volumizing blow dry mist. We've got a Badescu facial spray. We've got a Kiko Milano, a clear lip gloss. We've got Natasha Denona, I Need a Rouge lip crayon. Perricone MD, a vitamin C Ester, a moisturiser with SPF 30. Ole Henriksen Banana Bright eye cream. And lastly, LANEIGE Bouncy and Firm Lip Treatment. Oh, and I forgot, we've got a Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 62 Perfume Mist. There you go, the cost of the box is £45 and it has a value of £125. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this one? Did you go for it? Or are you thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.